Hey guys, we took a quick trip to Port Aransas to meet some friends and relax. Port A, as it's called, is about a 4 hours drive south of Austin, just north on Padre Island. Boasting 18 miles of beach along the Gulf Coast, there is plenty of beautiful white sand to spread out. Seaweed was not a factor when we went. Don't expect the clear waters of South Padre or even along the Panhandle in Florida, but this beach is definitely worth the trip, offering shorter travel time. There are plenty of fishing and kayaking opportunities as well as surfing. Very dog friendly, just leash up. Several hotels and restaurants can be found just feet from the shoreline. On our way out, we stopped at this amazing little surf shop in Corpus Christi called Third Coast Beach Company. Definitely a kid favorite. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon.